Me? Well, I have been in the floor since Mario shared me. I just got out of the floor. Actually, I had to run to the grocery store, run to the post office, you know, little errands. Me and Mama went and did that. I'm not painting myself blue today. I'll do that tomorrow, but we're still going to do a tutorial. And I think I just want to do like a soft smoky liner. Pop some of this on top. Maybe a dark lip. Let's just keep it simple, but keep it spicy. Okay, so since we're only going to be doing liner, but we really want to smoke it out, our lid needs to be a little moisturized. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the Gerard Clean Canvas. This is just going to make our lid a little more moisturized. It's going to kind of melt the liner into it. We'll set it later, so don't be worried about greasing. Now remember, we're not going to wear eyeshadow, but we still want our lid to be a little more even. And once again, you're going to see that liner really melt into this. You'll see why we're doing this first. So just do a nice light layer. I'm going to do just enough to cover up the veins in my eye. So now I'm going to grab my By Mario eyeliner. This is the black one, and we'll just kind of go across here, a little in here. We'll take the cap off of this end, and we'll start to smoke it out. Now you can kind of see why I have that base underneath there. It's going to give us a little bit more playtime. I will say that this liner does dry down, which is really good, but that base under here is going to give us a little bit more time to really smoke it out. So just kind of elongate it to where you want it. If you have hooded eyes, just completely relax your eyes. So just completely relax your eye, and you can see where I have it right now. It's really not a good shape. So what I want you to do is relax your eye completely and just kind of lift where you feel it needs lift. So doing like this is great, but then once we relax, we're not going to see that shape. So you can even turn to the side. You can see where my eye is hooded. Don't worry about underneath here. We can come back later with our makeup eraser and do that. But just kind of keep shaping and pulling upwards. So now I just kind of took it and took the same brush. Look, I'm doing everything with this. And I'm just gonna bring it here and bring it up here just a little bit. Like I said, we will elongate and clean under here in just a second. Just to show you the effect, normally I wouldn't even worry about it here, but I want you to come from the separation here in your eye. And I'm using a makeup eraser, the original. And we'll just kind of look directly at our mirror or phone and just kind of swipe up. There's the lift. Look at that. So easy. So easy. Now, look at that. That is literally eyeliner. There's no eyeshadow. I blended it with the back of that brush. We're going to do a few more things. The next thing is we're going to grab this. I love these so much. They're so pretty. These are also from By Mario. This is the Master Crystal Reflector. So I just grabbed this on my finger. I'll kind of tilt my head back, and we'll just press it right through the center here. Look at that. It looks like we've taken days to do this eye makeup. So pretty. I love these. All right, let's just pop on some mascara. I'm going to do lashes. So any mascara. This one is from NARS. But like I said, we're just doing, honestly, just enough to coat them and make them dark. And the reason I didn't set my eyes because I really wanted that base to kind of still be a little wet so it can really grab these crystal, beautiful glitter, shimmer, glimmer beauty. But what I will say is now we're just going to grab a little bit of translucent powder. Just grab your favorite translucent powder and just kind of tap here. Anywhere that we feel that we might crease later. But I also want you to notice I'm pressing that in as opposed to just swiping. And then I'm also not going to set where I put the shimmer. And also while you're pressing in your translucent powder, it's really just going to blur and further blend everything together. Look how pretty that is when I blink. Blink, 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 blink. I love it. I'm actually filming a little bit different of a little post today, so we'll see how that goes. don't know, it's kind of visually fun to me. Oh, you gotta know what I'm using. We're gonna use the Huda water jelly again. I vibed with this yesterday, and that foundation, you know we're gonna use it. I love that foundation. But before I tell y'all to go buy it, let me use it at least one more time after this. 3 times. All right, so we're just popping on our lashes. I feel these are the only lashes I wear. I'm out of control. And also this little applicator thing here. Whew. Really just put them exactly where I want them. Grabbing our faux filter skin finish from Huda Beauty. It's just so satisfying. And then somewhere in this chaos, I washed my foundation brush, and then my foundation brush did run away. Hang on now. So now I'll grab my Anissa Pinnacle foundation brush, and I'll just melt it in. And 2 stripes is all I need here on this side of my face. So a little bit of this goes a very long way. Oh, and a few more things. It is unscented. No scent whatsoever. And it just feels like nothing on the skin. It's so pretty. I'm gonna do a little bit of corrector today. I actually love this one from Mary Kay. So this is all we're gonna use. It's a peach corrector. I lost this one, I loved it, and I just found it again. And we'll just kind of tap this in. And I feel like I got too much, but I like to put corrector around the mouth as well before our concealer. All right, I'm vibing with the Rare Beauty concealer. I love the color. I love the coverage. I love the way it feels like skin. And I think it's going to be my new favorite concealer. So we're going to melt this in with our Anissa concealer brush. I'm going to link the Anissa brush set. It's the one that's going to benefit Meals on Wheels Atlanta. So if you guys are interested, I could use my discount code and tell you guys to buy it that way, but I really want you guys to support a good cause if you are in the market for some new brushes. Now I'm using my favorite contour. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Tan bronzer stick. I love it. And my little magic wand. It gets me every time. Oh my gosh. Now this isn't in that set, so if you want to use code ROSE for a discount on this, you can. And then I'm just going to grab a Kylie blush stick. This is the shade In My Feels. And we're just going to throw it there. Perfect. And now I'm just going to grab my Anissa Tapered Highlight. And we'll just melt this together. Remember, we have no powder on the face. So all of this is just going to be all melty. And then whatever's left in the brush, we can kind of go across here, pick up some more. I'm also tapping. It might look like I'm not. I'm just very fast. And I've kind of just mastered the technique. But if it helps, do like this at first. That way you know you're not picking up and moving the product too heavily. I'm going to grab my Givenchy powder today. And my Tati Blendiful, just like every day. And I'm just going to go ahead and press this in until it completely disappears. Ooh, I love this powder. So this is my favorite under eye setting powder. I'm always switching it up and trying different things because I always want to use all kinds of price points for everyone. But this one is my favorite, and I'm going to say that right before the Sephora sale. It's feeling a little fancy today. I'm going to use this Dior. I kind of just mix all 3 of these. I love this contour palette, by the way. Also, another thing to add to your list, I'm just going to deepen up my bronze here a little bit more. This brush is a prototype, or it would be listed. And I'm kind of just pressing this in. I'm always pressing. It just helps not to disturb the makeup. And even though it might look like I might be moving this back and forth, I'm really not. I'm always just kind of stippling and pressing all of my products in. I don't want to make it too smoky underneath here, so I'm actually just going to use whatever's left on the brush here and just kind of lightly connect it. And I'm only going to smudge to right there. Grabbing my Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Mascara. I'm just going to go to town. And then I'm going to grab my lash separator here and just kind of pull it through a couple times. It's been a second since we went feral and just done a feral rose inner corner. So I'm just going to use that same pigment that we used earlier. This was the Rose Special back in the day. I want to know who's been with me since Tassel. Who are my OGs? I want to try this highlight palette. Ooh, isn't that pretty? This is from Danessa Myricks. And I'm just going to grab the shade here called Piece of Cake. And I'm using the Anissa Tapered Highlight. Okay, I barely touched that. That is so smooth. And I'm not seeing any texture. I'm trying to zoom you in. That looks so good. Just a little bit though. Okay, so I want to do a really vampy lip, but I don't want to sit here forever. So what I like to do is first we'll just do like a rough outline. And that means that we're not going, and we're not trying to get in here and get perfect. I'm kind of just laying down the lip liner. So don't worry about this step being flawless. Next, we're going to grab our lipstick, and this is also from Makeup Forever. It's their Rouge Artist, and it's in 420 Mighty Maroon. And I'm just going to start and just throw this on my bottom lip. Oh, that is, that's packing a spicy punch. And then from here, I'll take my lip liner, and now we can start to blend the lip liner and the lipstick together. And you're going to get a more precise and even lip line. So then I'll just grab a concealer brush with nothing on it. And I'll just go around. But I make sure to wipe it. I just kind of wipe it between my fingers after every swipe. And here we have it, the finished look. Trying to keep it simple because I know I've been out of control this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Get ready for something tomorrow. Might paint myself blue tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I definitely want to do something a little easier, and I feel like the sparkle just takes us to another level. I love you all so much, and I'm gonna post the makeup details here in just a second.